think there's a good reason. There we go.
Take 3. Can you hear us? We're hoping so. We're going to check it on our phones. Hi, everybody.
Is that this one?
I don't know.
There's so many that
I get so excited when it works. Oh, there we are.
Yes, because there's food in this one.
We're hoping so. Yay! We're going to check it on our phones. Happy New Year. Let's try again.
Yeah, see, it's take 3. This way we'll know which one to.
Just had to turn it off, turn it back on, reconnect. We all
pretended it was Y2K. Turn it off, turn it on.
It's almost like that decade.
It is.
We're in the roaring 20s.
No kidding.
All right.
Now
so we're
hopefully you can hear us. We're going to start all over again. We have a couple things to go over. We have some samples to show you. We're excited about some upcoming things, and so let's see if we can make it happen.
Deja vu.
Well, now we have to remember what we,
Yeah.
So,
all right. Is it better?
yeah,
Is anybody on there yet? Sorry, guys. It was so frustrating. Very frustrating to us.
for all of us.
I feel like I'm in a Verizon commercial.
Can
you hear us now?
And that was a while ago, because he's defected.
yeah.
He's with Sprint.
Is it Sprint?
Yep. It's not good. It's not good. Yeah.
I don't think anybody's with us yet. Here come some people.
All right. Well, so I have a couple of samples to show you. I have an upcoming open house tomorrow. Yes, that's tomorrow.
She's the extreme overachiever of us.
No, it doesn't
Yay,
feel
they
like
can
it.
hear us. They can hear us.
Yay.
It doesn't feel like
Now I hope it's worth your while.
Yeah.
It might have been better muted.
Yeah, no kidding. I don't feel like an overachiever with everything that's been going on, but we'll make it happen.
You had it on the books.
So here is one of the cards they're going to make with Lisa's $1 Million set, which we love. If you don't have a new mini catalog yet, I highly recommend you get one. This is a fabulous, adorable
They can see
set.
the front.
Yep.
Here's the front and the back of this awesome catalog. One of my favorites.
And then this set you can get with your Sale-A-Bration. It's a hostess set with Sale-A-Bration. So to get more details, you'll find that in the back of your Sale-A-Bration catalog.
Look at that lady butt sparkle.
And yeah,
did I say lady butt sparkle?
Yeah, but she sparkles. And what's the best thing about this is starting in February, you'll be able to get die cuts for her adorable little self.
Look at that.
Which we like a lot.
It's automatically doing some of that.
I know. It's automatic. It's listening to us. And then I just went ahead. I'm going to show you a couple of camp samples because I've got camp next week. This is one. It's with the Posy set. We like the Posy set a lot. They're going to do 2 cards with the Posy set. One with this stamp and one with another stamp.
This is where we lost it before.
And
So
this
now
is
the
the-
Vannas know what they're supposed to do.
Yes, this is the stamp. We asked her what stamp she used, and she used this out of the Poppy set, which was really cool.
Oh, I said posies, poppies. And then this is with the it's part of the Parisian suite. And so this set, I used kind of a monochromatic. Sometimes we forget to do that, and I like
It's
it.
just automatically going back. We don't have to remember.
Yeah, this is done with heart
We like it
punches.
to do that.
I think we might.
So this is kind of a
Sorry,
little
we're
bit-
just having this little conversation between us while Susan is showing off her things.
It's a little bit different fold, and I use the heart punches in a little
This
bit
is
different
so
way.
cute.
And it's got some fun DSP. So
Is that the wait? Put it back up here. Is that the paper from the lilies?
it's the Sale-A-Bration paper.
And then this was you missed it before when we couldn't remember the name of the folder. It's from the Tropical Oasis.
Yeah.
Yes.
Before I just called it the I Want to Go to the Beach suite.
Which
Because
would lead us into this.
it's been a minute
It's
since
part of
we
that
used
suite.
stamps, and we hadn't used them very long, and then you take a couple weeks off and you just lose everything that you knew momentarily.
Yeah.
How pretty is that with the note cards?
But
Love
as you
these
know,
note
if
cards.
you're mom and grandma and wives, and we have people that, like, there were 2 days I got up and I went, I have nothing to do today, and that lasted about 10 minutes. 2 days. I got super excited. And then it all changed, which was fine, but, I guess you have to go on vacation to get a
Yep, a real vacation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Christmas is not a
It's
vacation.
different because of school. I realize this. It's because our kids are not in school anymore, and so we don't have like the school down days.
Yeah.
Like where we're responsible for nothing.
No.
I may have actually prayed for snow days so I could get snowed in and not go anywhere. It didn't work, but and we
That's
have an event
hilarious.
coming up. We have a couple more samples to show you, but before we show you some more samples, Cheri, do you want to tell us about our upcoming event?
Yeah, so we have it's the last day of January, which I don't know.
January
31st.
30th. The 31st.
Okay, so it's the 31st and the first day of February, and people have asked like what it is. So it will kind of be like what we do, but it's going to go for 24 hours. So there'll be some crazy time in it.
I think some 12 hours sounds better.
So there will be lots of stamping. You can stamp with us.
We'll have kits available.
Yeah,
I think that is the thing. There are kits that are available on the registration page, which is at stampinonline.com.
Yeah, we'll put the link down below.
Oh yeah, you want to share that in the if you can.
Okay.
But you can buy different kits to go that you can stamp with us. If you buy the kit, then there's like 3 different levels.
We've
One
been
has
on for so
everything.
long that my my iPad's turned off because
Yeah.
it was ready for our take 1.
So there's a level 1, level 2, and level 3, and so it depends on how many pieces of the kit that you want. The class only will be
It's this one. So you get the supplies for 12 projects, and no matter which of the kits you get, like this is the most basic.
this is the level like 1.
Yeah, so on this one, you would get the supplies for 12 projects, and the 3 stamp sets that we're going to concentrate on, like we'll be using tons of them over the whole time, but the 3 that we'll use the most will be the Bonanza Buddies, the Timeless Tropicals, I should have remembered the name,
Yes.
and the Dress to Impress.
And those are the suites.
Yes.
We just went with 3 suites, so depending on where you're at, and
So in that one, you will get the like the cardstock and the embellishments and the die cuts, anything that would be punched or put through a folder.
and you'll either need to use your own stamp set that you've already purchased, or you will
Yeah, and then the other
another
ones,
stamp.
Yeah.
And then this level 2 is the same supplies for 12 projects. What's
Yeah.
the extra stuff?
The level 2 one gets you those stamps, those 3 stamp sets, and the level 3 gets you those
The
3 stamp
stamps.
sets, the dies, and the Celebration Happy Birthday to You stamp set, and the Celebration Metallic Baker's Twine and Sequins. So, and then everybody also gets a show and share little envelope for a contest.
And we're gonna send that out to everyone that registers for the class. And then during that Facebook Live, you can either send us a picture, post it on the actual live, post it on our page, send it to our email. I mean, there'll be different ways that you can actually send it to us so that we can share what everybody does with one particular thing. And it's just to kind of show the diversity and creativity of everyone.
Yeah, and that you can use any stamp set that you have that's from Stampin' Up.
And if you don't want to pay any of the kits, part of it they won't be able to see.
Right. Because if you get the kit, then there will be some of the hours that were set aside just for the people that are
in the classes.
And you'll also get a prize patrol in your package, so it'll be
all like
marked
prizes.
somehow, and at some point everybody that has that will be able to open it. And ahead of time, if you're in the class, you'll get like a schedule breakdown, because we're going to do some stuff talking about kits, ways to incorporate non-stamping stuff into your stamping. I don't know. The last time that we got together and planned this, I had a rip-roaring migraine, so a lot of it, I didn't even have today on my schedule, so I can't remember everything that we talked about that we were
Well,
going to
we
do.
talked about doing some things with essential oils, because that seemed to be a lot of fun. We were going to incorporate maybe, we might do some felting. I mean, there's several, we are so, like, we're crazy about crafts. That should be a tagline.
That could be one of our hashtags for 2020.
Crazy
for
about crafts. But we also like jewelry. We like, I mean, if you went to our class in Lansing, we did a couple of jewelry things.
Yeah, you can show them this. Where's the?
Oh, yeah.
You have your.
Did I leave it? Yep, right
I
here.
mean, I don't know that we ever showed the things that we did in Lansing, but this is one that I did, and this is the birthday bonanza.
Yeah, that's the new. And then this is the one that we did in Lansing.
Yeah, so this one used the tag kit. Oh, it doesn't stay long enough anymore.
Well, we might have to adjust that.
Yeah, we did something. We were trying to get it to not be blurry. So this one, I do have a video up for this one on my YouTube.
We added some air freshener, like some oils to the corks, the Stampin' Up! Corks, which is kind of a perfect.
Yeah, it's
thing.
part of the Magnolia Suite, because when I posted it on my YouTube, people are like, "Where'd you get the cork?" It's from the catalog. So that's one of the things that we did.
We love banners, and so we're going
banners.
to.
But we talked about kits. I don't know where my notes are.
We're going to
Kits
show
in the
some
catalog?
kits.
Some home decor.
Yeah, home decor. Actually, by that time, we'll probably be yearning for spring, so there might be a little floral wreath of some sort.
Some Valentine's.
We're kind of all over the place right now,
Yeah.
so
it'll be a nice,
it'll be
good long
fun.
time to.
You've
have
got
us
24 hours with us. I mean, what more?
we
do
gotta
you
have
want?
something
There'll
to
be
do.
some eating and probably some recipes because
Yeah.
we'll have to eat.
We like to eat.
We may have some guest stampers. So you can register. Today's the last day to get free shipping on the kits. And the last day to sign up is like the 14th, yeah.
January 14th.
So we will put the little sign up link down below.
Do y'all have any questions about anything that?
So
that makes sense?
anybody can watch for most of it. There'll be a chunk of time.
It'll be on the public page and also on our private page.
Yeah, because we'll be able to film with more than one. Like we'll have more than one tripod set up.
Yes.
And if you have stamp sets that are in the celebration or the mini catalog that you'd like to see us do something with that day,
Yeah, and in the meantime, yeah,
I'd venture a guess that between the three of us, we have most of the catalog now.
Most of that. I mean, we haven't put our orders in for tomorrow yet.
Yes, because tomorrow we can pre-order the.
I have a whole box
coordination
that I
stuff.
haven't even opened. I mean, a box that
Well, I have
haven't got to.
my catalog kickoff Facebook Live tomorrow, and I have nothing ready because I had no day to
we
myself.
just roll that way.
I know.
But I did do 10 projects, and I haven't done them all yet.
This is
so-
beautiful. This is Cheri. She did this at the demonstrator group. She calls it Indiana Spring, and I think it kind of captures it beautifully. I don't remember if there's anything inside that one. Nope.
Oh,
Bless
excuse
you.
me. Sorry about
And
that.
then a little bit of Paris. This is so pretty. This new
Yeah, that's a really
embossing
pretty suite.
folder is gorgeous. I mean, it is stunningly beautiful especially on the, what's that called? Metallic paper.
foil.
Foil. Yeah. Word.
See, we haven't
Go
stamped
team.
for a minute.
Yeah, we have.
Some of us can remember words, some of us cannot at any given time.
This is probably my favorite of the
Oh, the
celebration sets.
It's so cute.
fun. The little meerkats,
They are so cute.
and then she had the little
Stand-up guy.
stand-up guy. Isn't that cute? Boop. So we're gonna have some fun.
Yeah. So if you have any questions for us, put them on there. We'll try to get back to you. We're going to be here next week, probably for 2 days.
And you don't have to be a demonstrator to do this.
Nope, anybody
these
can do it.
classes. Anybody can do it. So you can,
And if
Grab
you're
a
watching
friend.
this on the replay, then you can ask questions and
and we'll be watching
yeah,
it.
we'll be watching.
Yeah. Sorry we had technical difficulty.
So is that everything?
Yeah.
Yep.
Cheers.
Happy 2020.
Cheers! Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Catalog Day tomorrow. That's always a fun day.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
I mean, it's good to cheers.
It
I mean,
is
we
good
should
to
always
cheers.
cheers.